As crypto prices have been looking very strong over the last couple of days and Shiba Inu coin continues to rise, well, we're seeing a very good sign. And we're going to be talking about it in this video. Is 590 million Shiba Inu coin are leaving cryptocurrency exchanges. This means that they are going into cold storage, hot storage wallets, potentially being held by investors for the long term, which could lead to a very nice rise in price. Let's talk about it. If it sounds like something you're interested in, let's get started. What's up, everybody? I'm Clay. Now, 590 million Shiba Inu coins are withdrawn from cryptocurrency exchanges. This is, of course, not a whale level number, but it is a good indicator that long-term holders are doing just that, planning on holding long term. It says Shiba Inu coin tokens are leaving exchanges, and it's coinciding with a 76% rise in trading volume. Now, we're going to jump into Shiba Inu coin in a second here, but I do want to say this. If you have not been diversifying, make sure to check out Solixi token. It only has a couple days left, and this is going to be ending very quickly. We have seen how well some of these other ICOs have done. Mind of Pepe did a fantastic job launching, and it launched after raising $12 million. These guys are rolling in on $48 million raised, and they only have a couple days left. So if you guys are interested in buying Solixi, it's a very easy process. Click that link in the description, click on buy with card or buy with crypto, connect your wallet. I like to connect via Best Wallet, so if you guys need to download Best Wallet, you got that in the description as well. But Solixi is building the world's first Layer 2 blockchain on Solana, one that I'm very excited about because I believe that Solana is one of the best blockchains out there. Now, jumping back into Shiba Inu coin, we can see that Shiba Inu coin has experienced an interesting trend that could signal changing investor behavior. The latest crypto quant data shows that holders are moving their SHIB tokens away from cryptocurrency exchanges at an increasing rate, with outflows reaching 589 million tokens. The exchange outflow from Crypto Quant chart reveals that exchange outflows have been gradually climbing over the last 2 days. The current situation presents both opportunities and considerations for different types of investors. As the number of coins on the market goes down, short-term traders can find steady patterns in the price due to lower volatility. Yet when these prices do not move much, there are fewer quick chances to make profit. For those holding the coin for a few years, the outflows can be seen in a positive light. Less supply and rising demand often coincide with increases in price. And as Bitcoin, guys, continues to test, I mean, look at this level right here, right? We're sitting at all-time highs, and we are testing, and continuing to move higher at higher highs and higher lows. As Bitcoin breaks out, Shiba Inu coin should absolutely break out as well. And as a matter of fact, you can see that Shiba Inu coin has done a fantastic job of bouncing off these lows. Now, it is up roughly 10-20% over the last couple of days here. And some people might think, well, that's expensive. I can't buy knowing it was 10% cheaper last week. Dude, look at the graph for a second. Does this look like an expensive price to you? Shiba Inu coin is nowhere near its recent highs. As a matter of fact, Shiba Inu coin is bouncing off multi-year. Look at this. This 1,200 point per coin level is this goes back to 2024, multi-year level of support. We are just now beginning to move higher off of potentially the absolute floor. Now that gets me excited. I can grab Shiba Inu coin at some of the cheapest prices available, and I can load up for future gains. That is exactly what I continue to do. Now, it might seem a little annoying, right? Like, oh, buy the dip, buy the dip, buy the dip, buy the... Everybody always tells you to buy the dip. Well, places like KCEX make it extremely simple to buy the dip, and they allow you to do so on up to 75x leverage for Shiba Inu coin. But that's not even the best part. Look at the futures fees. You're not going to find a cheaper place to trade Shiba Inu coin. 0% maker, 0% taker fees. Literally 0% futures fees on meme coins at KCEX. And not only do I think that KCEX is one of the best exchanges in the United States, but they reached out to me. They recently heard, and I don't know how they did it because they must watch my videos. I did not reach out to them. But they reached out to me and said, ClayBro, we're sorry. We heard that your channel is demonetized now. We think it's wrong what YouTube did. Let's put together a campaign for you and your subscribers. And they did just that. Guys, you guys can earn up to $16,000 with KCEX through the next 12 days here. So check that link in the description below. It's going to pull you up to this landing page right here. If you guys need to register for the exchange, you can register for the exchange. If you need to register for the event, you can register for the event. But take advantage of it. Whether you're a new user getting a deposit bonus of up to 10%, or you guys are an existing user ready to take advantage of up to $15,000 in futures earnings, make sure, give it a shot, and say thank you to KCEX for actually I mean, this is the way business should be done, right? These guys actually care enough, one, to watch my content, but two, to reach out and offer some incentives during this very ridiculous time that YouTube is, decided to demonetize my channel. You guys also get links down there for Amazon. Literally earning. I'm not earning anything off of YouTube these days. So anything helps. If you guys would like to use my Amazon links down there, anything you guys buy on Amazon. So if your mom shops on Amazon, your sister, your wife, your girlfriend, whatever, if they shop on Amazon, if you shop on Amazon, I would really appreciate you simply opening Amazon through that link. It's all you have to do. You don't have to do anything else with it. And, well, I mean, let's make the most of this bull market. Very weird times right now, but we continue to push forward, and we continue to grow. Let me know what you guys do with it all down in the comments below, and until the next time, hope that each and every one of you have an awesome day.